Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install LibreOffice in Ubuntu 24.04. So friends, at first you have to open terminal, and to open the terminal you have to press Ctrl Alt T on the keyboard. Now you have to type the command sudo space su, that is super user, and then enter your computer password and then press enter. Now type the command apt-get space update and then click enter button. This command is used to update the package lists on a Linux system. It checks for updates to all packages from the configured sources. Now type the command apt-get space upgrade and then click enter on the keyboard. This command is used to install available upgrades of all packages currently installed on the system from the source configured via source.list file. New packages will be installed if required to satisfy dependencies, but existing packages will never be removed. Now type the command apt space install space LibreOffice and then press enter on the keyboard. This command will install the LibreOffice package in your computer system. Now you have to press Y and then press enter. Once the download will completed, installation started. Once the LibreOffice package has been installed, just open search and then type on the search box LibreOffice. As I started typing the LibreOffice package name, LibreOffice files are appeared here. To open the writer, you can click on writer. See, the LibreOffice writer is opened. You can also check its version, whether the latest version is installed or not. See, the latest version has been installed. So friends, in this way you can install LibreOffice in Ubuntu 24.04 or in any version of Linux.